Ayan na, ayan na.
Welcome to our talk show segment. Pulse check with Meg and Tim. As we blend experience and fresh perspectives to bring you inspiration, guidance, and meaningful conversations. Through our PULC check segments, we're here to share insights on finding balance, building a purposeful life, and creating success on your terms. Make Pulse check a part of your service.
Hello, everyone. This is Meg, your golfer nursepreneur. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to a space where heart meets purpose. And this is a space for real talk on life, nursing, and the digital business world. Join us as we dive into stories, lessons, and tips that bring us growth, connection, and success to the forefront of your journey. And Tin?
And whether you are in healthcare, chasing new goals, or ready to level up your digital business, this segment is for you. So tune in for a dose of inspiration, purpose, and practical steps to thrive in every area of your life.
All right. So, Tin?
Yep. So welcome everyone, and I'm Christine. I'm a nurse mompreneur from Sydney, Australia, and this is Ate Meg. Welcome
And
to
welcome to the Pulse Check.
Meg. Yay!
Pero guys, ulitin namin yon kasi first
Ulitin natin.
episode natin, okay? So, ang gawin ko, ganito. Kumustahin ko si Tin? How are you, Tin? You're from
I'm
Australia. So, kumusta yung Australia?
Australia right now. It's 11 a.m. and it's actually raining at the moment here in Sydney. But I love that energy of yours, Ate Meg. So we need that on a Monday morning. So thank you. Very fitting for a Monday morning rainy weather here. So thank you for that positive energy. And how about you? How are you?
Thank you, Tin. So medyo nagkalma-kalma na, right? Because
Yeah.
Tin is getting out of her comfort zone. This is her first ever Facebook Live
Yes.
launching right now on Meg and Tin. So I see 1 million viewers. Thank you for watching. But anyway, I'm Meg, your golfer nursepreneur. I'm feeling great right now. Very excited ako. This has been like a concept, and now it comes into fruition. So I'm really very excited for everyone to see us Tin, and I'm looking forward for this show. And let's just make it a great night, okay?
Yes. So
So
now
let
you might notice, yes, something a little different today. So instead of Ate Meg and I taking the spotlight as your hosts, we've invited a very special co-host to kick off this big moment for us.
Yeah, we have a guest co-host tonight, guys, Miss E. It's such a privilege to have her on our show tonight to kick off our exciting moment with all of you. I am gonna be introducing Miss E, and without further ado, let's give it up for Miss E. Let's welcome her to the show.
Hello.
Wow, may palakpak. Hello, everybody. Oh my goodness. Wow, may
Again.
palakpak talaga tayo, guys. Thank you on my end. I cannot, yan talaga ang maganda, di ba? This is such an amazing time. But before anything else, guys, is it on your end? Is it showing how many viewers we have? Or
Yes. We've got three at the moment. 3 million.
3 million viewers at the moment. So
Thank you.
we're gonna wait for maybe like a little bit. We'll try to brush off ang kaba ng ating mga bagong mga hosts. We will be waiting na mag 4 and 5 because I want everybody to really see, your introduction video because it is really one of those na talagang pinag-isipan. So as your co-host, I wanted to make sure to highlight your pilot episode. Kaya before tayo is it going 4 or 5 right now? Kasi pauwi
Three.
na ng three. It's okay. You know what? Life show must go on and everything, and everybody will
Correct.
pop up a little bit pretty soon. But ano ba? Kamusta ba, Tin? Kamusta ba tayo dyan? Kamusta ang
Okay,
ating mga
okay na okay. Kinakabahan, pero dahil kayong kasama ko, it's an honor to be here with you, my inspiration and my mentors. So,
oh,
nawawala na yung kaba and
yung
puro
kaba?
positive na pumapasok.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm trying to like share your live because once you
Yes.
start doing the live kasi guys, I know this is their live. It is something, and then we are global reach, so our time zones are really different. Kaya ang
Different,
iba
right?
pauwi pa lang sa work, ang iba nag-church. But how many viewers na tayo?
4
4
million.
viewers.
Million.
Okay. Okay. Since we are hitting 4 million viewers, I want everybody to see the beautiful introduction video before I switch the turntable, before we turn the table.
Okay. All right.
Welcome to our talk show segment. Pulse check with Meg and Tim. As we blend experience and fresh perspectives to bring you inspiration, guidance, and meaningful conversations. Through our PULC check segments, we're here to share insights on finding balance, building a purposeful life, and creating success on your terms. Make Pulse check a part of your service.
And of course, kasi inulit natin ang intro, kailangan ulitin nyo din ang inyong pa-intro. Go ahead, Meg. Go ahead.
Alright, kasi kailangan natin yun ma-emphasis, di ba, Sis Lane, no? So first
Yes.
episode, it has to be something memorable kasi very first natin. I'm thanking our 7 million viewers, guys. 7 million na, nasaan ka niya? All over the world. Yay! Welcome to Meg and Tin Pulse Check. Okay, ito kasi yung aking pa-intro kanina. Yung nakamiss kanina ng pa-intro ko. This is it. Hello, guys. This is Meg, your Golfer Nursepreneur. Wherever you are in the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to a space where your heart meets purpose. This is a space for real talk on life, nursing, and digital business world. So you can always join us every Sunday as we dive into stories, lessons, and tips that bring growth, connection, and success to the forefront of our journey. And Tin.
And whether you are in healthcare, chasing new goals, or ready to level up your digital business, this segment is for you. So tune in for a dose of inspiration, purpose, and practical steps to thrive in every area of your life.
Yes, and take it away, Sis Lane.
Yes, welcome to Pulse Check. I was waiting for you guys to say that. Okay, guys. Since I am their co-host and as well as the lead mentor, I would like to say thank you for this opportunity bago ko makalimutan kasi bonggang-bongga ang ating first episode. Okay, hey everyone. Welcome to the first episode of the Pulse Check Talk Show. Akalain mo naman. I'm beyond excited to be here as your co-host for today. Jumping in to kick off what's gonna be your amazing journey, diba? So we're about to dive into the inspiring lives of two powerhouse women, both rockstar nurses, kaway-kaway sa mga nurses dyan, loving moms just like me, and bold 2.0 na tayo ngayon as digital business owners. They're here to share not just the hustle, but the heart, the highs, and everything in between. So let's start it off. Let's get to know the passion that drives this incredible woman. So ngayon, since na-change ang ating table because this is episode 1, I am privileged and honored to be their co-host. So ang magiging guest natin tonight are of course the host of Pulse Check, which is Meg and Tin. Okay?
Yeah.
So I have kind of the idea naman guys, and to all the viewers out there, hello, hello. Hindi ko kayo nakikita pero alam ko, thank you for all your support. As Miss E, I wanted to ask these beautiful ladies, no? Kasi I know I kind of have an idea. They came up to me, but for everybody to know, hindi basta-basta ang mag-come out sa comfort zone. So, my first question kaagad tayo para diretso to the point. I don't know who will be answering this question. It's either Meg who will answer this question. How did you come up with this show? Napahinga tayo.
I'll do it. um, Actually, it's a long time not really dream, but I wanted to have a segment, right? A talk show segment, not necessarily as big as this, but so I came up to an idea one time because our business is doing better, right? So if your business is doing better, you want to provide more opportunities, you want to create more impact to a lot of people. So as a team, I started thinking about, ano kayang concept ko na maiisip so that we can bring it to a higher level and create a bigger impact into such an because we have an amazing community. So other than our amazing community, we know that we are creating impact in our global community support, but we want to share the opportunity to other people kasi global tayo, in in all parts of the world where we can be seen, and through the power of social media we will be able to do this. So I came to a point where, okay, I have a concept, I have something in mind, and I have the an eye for Christine, and Tin is also a mom nursepreneur. So I'm like, okay, we're global. I want to collaborate with Tin. I want to do partnership with her. I pitch the idea, I concept and the idea, and the rest is history. And we're just gonna enjoy the first episode tonight, guys.
Yes. And as for myself, I did not hesitate when Ate Meg approached me with this idea. In fact, it is such an honor to be collaborating with her, whom I get a lot of inspiration in life and in business. And I know for sure I'll learn from this experience, and I'm so excited to be doing this with her every week. So just to add more on what Ate Meg said, this talk show means a lot to us, being members also of the Visionaries team. So with Miss E as the head of our team Visionaries, the idea was very simple. It's actually to create this space that combines our love for personal growth, our experiences in nursing, and our passion for the digital business world. So we wanted something that truly aligns with the Visionaries mission, which is to inspire, to connect, and empower each other as we build our dreams together. So very nice concept, diba? That includes us. Yeah, thanks to Ate Lane. Yay!
Yes, grabe no. So as you can see, when I was hearing both of them and when we had the strategy or Zoom meeting, guys, I tell you, I do my segment. Sabi ko talaga sa self ko, oh, good thing both of them saw each other. So that's the common denominator, I think, not just being a nurse, but very passionate on the things that they do. So I really commend the both of them, and sabi ko, you know what, creative side, I will be helping you and everything, but kung ano yung mga ganap ninyo, guarantee to the highest level, without a doubt, you guys will nail this. And I will just gonna be here to guide you and to cheer you, every step of the way. Kaya alam ko na it's not really, ano ito silang dalawa talaga, very, very competitive. And I am so honored to be their lead mentor. This is why the business is so good. It's because as a lead mentor, I don't have to be your head nurse. So this is open for everyone in different walks of life. And I'm
Right.
so happy and proud of that na etong aking nililid in this digital business whom they're rocking their business despite of their job are really, really making time. They're not squeezing in time. They're making time to their businesses. So that's the difference about our nursepreneurs here. Anyway, going to the second, ang pinaka pangmalakasang pulse check P.U.L.S.E. It's pulse check within connection with both of your careers as a
Mhm.
younger nurse, a young nurse and a younger nurse. Para mas maganda pakinggan, diba?
Mas maganda
Mas
pakinggan.
patas. Yeah, so I want to ask a certain question of what is behind PULSE check?
Okay.
And I don't know who's gonna answer that.
Yeah, I wanna share because it's actually Ate Meg's idea. She came up with the name, the acronym, and it was so perfect. I didn't have to change anything, and the name ties back actually to our background as nurses,
Mhm.
where we do pulse check, literally pulse check, as a key assessment, in nursing. But pulse also stands for uh, purpose driven, uplifting lives, sharing skills, and
Mhm.
empowerment. So it captures exactly what we are here to, in life, in business, and through these conversations, we'd like to help others live with purpose, share what we learned, and then lift each other up on our journey
Mhm.
to success. Yes. So that's
Yep.
that's why we at the Meg came up with this pulse check name, and it's very fitting for this live talk show.
Yeah. So I wanted to kung meron kayong mga pa-question sa kanilang mga pa-pulse check dyan, you're more than welcome, viewers out there. But for some reason, I'm not really sure. It's the same thing that is happening on when I do my live. It is showing Facebook user. So it's either you, Meg, or Tin. Can you shout out our individual viewers out there using your phone? Silent your phone and just scroll, so that way we really know that who is the person behind all of these comments, because for some reason it's been doing this and I really don't know what's going on. So this time we will be actually acknowledging
It's
them.
been doing this, and I really don't know what's
So
going
just silent your phones. It happens
on.
to me all the time.
Yes, we cannot see who made the comments. Only Jenny Pineda. She's our fellow nursepreneur. She's saying hello to us, and a lot of comments actually. Congrats, ladies! I'm so proud of you for coming out of your comfort zone. Yay! And then yeah, I cannot see the names, ate. So we're all
Yeah, I'm just gonna shout out everyone. We don't wanna miss anyone. But
yeah.
Coach Gemma is here watching. Sis Gracie is watching. Sis Grace Florence is watching. Thank you so much. Sis Gracie said, "Wow, what a nice introduction. Nakaka-insight naman ang segment na to." Hello, ladies from Grace Flores. Doc Rachel, thank you
Yay!
for watching from Vegas. Sis Geraldine, thank you for watching. And Sis Jenny Pineda, thank you for watching, our fellow nursepreneur. And then, sino pa ba? So far,
Ang sabi ni Geraldine is awesome lady. Sabi naman ni Doc Rachel all the way from Vegas is ang saya naman. Jenny, hello fellow nurses. You've already said that. Grace, level up na talaga to. Um, uh, go visionaries, pwede magpa-adapt.
sino yon? Sino yon? Sino yon?
Welcome. Collaboration is the key to success. Um, Coach Gemma says, "Congrats, ladies! I'm so proud of you for coming out your comfort zone." Yes, congratulations for thinking out loud of your new segment, Megan Teen. Proud visionary team here. Go visionary, empowering and inspiring, make an impact to people. And yeah, so far that's all the comments, and I am really happy na talagang we acknowledge them. And to everyone who wants to share this, you're more than welcome to do so that we can inspire more. Kaya, kasi yun naman ang ating goal. Ngayon, guys, since, is there any additional to the answer of Tin, or I can go on to our next level?
Basically, Tin has answered everything. You don't have to really explain. It explains so well in Pulse Check. That's purpose driven, uplifting lives, sharing skills, and empowerment. So we can talk anything under the sun sa ganitong episode natin. So, Sis Lane, you can go ahead.
Okay, guys. So maybe part of the pulse check that they are doing, nakikiwi na rin ako. Part of the pulse check, they will have a little segment that it's called 60-second, or what do you call that? It's pulse check
Pulse check,
60
60 second
60-second question. So it's a
question.
collaboration of answering it as fast as you can, or acting up fast to the question that is thrown to you. But of course, before anybody else will do it, syempre, ang magkakaroon ng chance to answer it in the very fast pace, kumbaga. Kasi pag nurses tayo at digital business owner, hindi tayo pwedeng patumpik-tumpik. Pag may nursing area, you have to make sure, pag nagsabing cold blue, di ba, talagang takbo ka. Pag digital business owner naman, pag may sinabing I'm interested, ay talagang text ka agad. Kaya, pulse check 60-second question ang ating second level tonight.
Mhm.
Okay, this will be Meg and Tin. So you will answer Meg first, and then Tin will follow. Okay?
Oh boy.
You will answer it the
Very.
shortest, the fastest way. Okay? Ten, 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 ten. Pulse check. 60-second Q&A. Question number 1. Favorite time of the day, morning or night? Meg?
Night
Night.
to sleep.
Okay. Number 2. What's one thing you cannot travel without? Meg? 1, 2, 3.
Phone.
Phone.
Okay.
Phone.
Number 3. If you had a superpower, what would it be?
I can give everyone what they want, what they need.
Tin.
To become invisible.
Very good. Next. What's the best part of being a nurse, Meg?
You can be anything. You can wear different hats.
Tin?
Connecting with other people.
Ah, okay. Biggest challenge as a mompreneur, Meg?
Mompreneur, biggest challenge is the
Challenge. Because we have flexible business.
yeah. Challenges can be what is this? Can be overcome
Okay.
because we have flexible business.
Okay, Tin, go.
Yeah, challenge is finding more time pa. If only I have more time pa. Pero to watch the mastermind classes and all that. But because
Mhm.
we have flexible business, time management is no longer a problem for me.
Yes. Okay. Digital business in one word, Meg. One word.
Flexible.
Tin.
Global.
Wow. Talaga naman. Next.
Para
Because guys, that's how Miss E do it.
Grabe,
Meg.
love that.
Yun. Next. Dream family vacation, Meg.
Switzerland.
Tin.
Same. And Netherlands.
Okay. Next question. What's your guilty pleasure, Meg?
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Everything. Everything self-care. Golf.
Okay.
Yeah, same.
Okay. Next, best piece of advice for other nurse mom in 3 words.
Just be yourself.
Okay, Tin.
Go for it.
Very good. I love it. Next, one word to describe each other. Describe Tin in one word.
Tin is awesome
How
in so
about you,
many
Inspiring.
ways.
Ate Meg
Huh?
is inspiring. I want to be like
Ah,
her.
when I grow
Oh.
up, I want to be like.
Ah,
I love that. Okay. Watch out, guys. Huwag kayong maano. Alam niyo naman, Missy would always have a little bit of twist. So we'll find out in the next few questions. Now, favorite inspirational quote, Meg?
Success is not in never falling, but in rising every time you fall. That's
oh
my
wow.
favorite quotation since I was in high school.
Oh, very good. Napaloob siya sa 60 seconds. Okay lang yan.
Yeah.
How about you, Tin?
Sa akin, marami akong quotes. Pero siguro ngayon is success is is a journey, not the end.
Embrace your journey.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Second to the last question. One tip for mom starting a digital business.
10. Answer it, mom.
One tip ko is just focus. Focus on your goal. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. Tama
Eyes
ba?
on-
Eyes
eyes
on
on
the
the
prize.
prize.
Something like that. Yeah.
How about you, Meg?
Okay, if she says eyes on the prize, you really have to enjoy your journey. It's the little things that you do every single day, the things that you needed to do for the business. You have to make sure that you do those daily habits that would bring you to reach that goal.
Yes.
Atomic
Okay.
Habits, read that book. That's really
Ah.
good.
Very good. So, sabi ni Coach Gemma here, 9 million viewers. Go for it. 8 million, 9 million. Talaga namang
Come on, let's
naka-countdown.
go for 12 million.
Thank you, Coach Gemma, for your unwavering support. Grabe, napa-adjective tayo ng slide. Anyway, before my last fast question, why we're doing this is not just because we inspire, it's because we wanted to share opportunity to everybody in different walks of life. So I wanted to give each and every one of you, Meg and Tin, to give your piece to everybody who are looking for a digital business that is not a hassle in 60 in 60 seconds.
In sexy too. Pwede rin.
in 60 seconds or as short as you can, say something about why you like and love and do your business.
Why
Oh, you,
why
go
we
ahead, Jen.
love, like, and do our business?
Like, it's
Okay.
because we're doing this actually is to, of course, share the opportunity of our business. So I wanted to make sure that I'm giving the platform for 60 seconds to introduce the collaboration of introducing the business, sharing the business, and why you love the business at the same time.
Okay. So okay. So to everyone watching and maybe later on watching, give this chance. Give this chance. This might be your, this might be the ticket to your success. Give it a try. Watch our free webinar. It's free, nothing to lose. It's 90 minutes. You will learn a lot about online business, how we earn extra income while we are still, working as a nurse and being present as mothers to our children, and also doing our own passion like playing golf and me being a choir member. So give it a chance and see how you go. And who knows, this will be your, again, as I said, ticket to your success. So just register on our website and watch the 19-minute webinar and reach out to us if you have questions. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good. Now, nakalimutan ko magpa-timer pa sana ako para may iba. Okay, now I'm giving the floor to Meg. I'm gonna turn on the timer for 60 seconds. You can collaborate, the sharing, the promotion, the loving, why you love the business, even though you're working, whatever you can say about the business before I will do a little
60
twist.
seconds talaga, no?
Yes, timer starts now.
Okay, buti na lang nakapag-live ako ngayon. And ang live ko kanina is, getting out of your comfort zone. You guys need to get out of your comfort zone because you just don't know what getting out of your comfort zone can do for you. A lot of successful people in the business or outside of the business, yung successful entrepreneurs, they get out of their comfort zone. They're choosing that opportunity. Dito sa business namin, it's all plugged in. All in package na ang aming digital business. All you gotta do is just 90% of the job is done, 10% as a business owner, gawa na. Kaya we don't have to reinvent the wheel, or all you need to do is just register on my website. It's www.megdigitalventures.com or TINS, and you'll be able to watch the complimentary webinar, at saka malalaman nyo kung how flexible, portable, and you can do the things that you love with this digital business. You can travel anywhere, anytime you want, as long as you have a Wi-Fi and an internet, and of course, enjoy it.
Yeah.
Pasok sa 60 seconds, guys. I love it. So now, since you asked me to be your co-host and bringing the Miss E and myself all the time, I always have like a little twist here and there. So the last question for your 60-second is, I'm gonna ask Meg, what is your favorite song?
The Journey by Lea Salonga.
Okay, Tin?
Same. I'm a big fan, and I even watched her concert here in Sydney Opera House. Journey.
Oh, she's
inom
been
muna ako ng
there.
tubig.
She's been there. That's nice, no?
I've been there.
Okay.
She's been there. First time
Oh,
ever.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
that's
guys.
nice.
So you really think that I left that with the note of just hold on. You just really think I left that as being the last by just plainly asking what's their favorite song? Do you know? Ito yung do you know segment. Do you know that both of these ladies loves to sing?
Oh
They
boy.
love Lea Salonga, diba? So
Yes.
now the last question will not gonna end by just me asking what's your favorite song. Of course not. So tapping in Missy as your co-host, ito talaga yung inyong medicine. So I want the viewers out there, pasample-sample naman, and you great minds think alike, guys. I will have the last 60-second, pero ito naman, hindi na natin ito orasan. But I want both of them to sing together the chorus of Lea Salonga, The Journey. At the count of, are you guys ready?
Oh boy.
Okay.
Ano nga ulit yung chorus? What a journey. Okay.
Yeah, okay. At the count of, sino bang alto dito?
Picture tayo.
Okay, at the count of
Imumit ko na sarili ko.
3.
Sandali, may mic ba?
Wow. May ano pa.
May
Sandali,
pa-
hindi ako ready.
Ito,
Okay, at the
ito.
count of 3, 2, 1. Hit it.
What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight. But the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. 10.
And they're shining on my life. I can see a better day. Tama ba? I won't let the darkness in.
What a journey it has been. Oh, baka magdiretso pa mamaya. Pag na-karaoke na ito, hindi na tinen Meg.
So guys, yun talaga ang ating di ba? That's like a piece para you will look for more. Ganun talaga yan eh.
Sabi, pinawisan ako.
Tayo ngayon. Pahapyaw lang muna tayo ngayon. But that's actually why, because I really kind of know that The Journey is one of their favorite songs. Kaya sabi ko naman, bakit hindi natin pakantahin ng live, di ba? But
Yes.
anyway, why I made that as the last song? Because for the episode tonight, it is their journey that they will begin, which is leveling up to 2.0 here in the digital business and to inspire a lot of people. So I guess I will turn the table around again to
Oh,
Meg.
okay. Miss E, I know you want to leave now, but we want you to stay because first of all, I want to say thank you. Take this chance to thank you being our leader in Visionaries team. We all know every effort you make, they don't go unnoticed talaga. And I just want to say two nights ago, uh, Miss E was about to go to bed at 3 a.m. I asked her a question.
Four thirty.
She got up and helped me out with my question. So like that's how she's very helpful and supportive to us, not only to her team members but to others as well. So thank you, Miss E, for everything, for your support and guidance. And this is our show, and we wanted to make it memorable for our guest co-host. So we'd like you to stay at the Meg.
Okay, Tin, thank you. Akala mo ha, akala mo guest co-host ka ha, akala mo maglo-launch ka lang ng Tin and Meg. Okay, bunso. Bunso.
Nahawaan
Smile
ko
ka
ba kayo?
muna dyan.
Nahawaan ko
Smile
ba
ka
kayo?
muna dyan kasi I really would like to take this opportunity to thank you for everything that you have done, not only for our team visionaries, but in behalf, I think, a lot of people in our Sparkle team, I think they would agree that, you have helped a lot of people. You've been an inspiration to many. Itong show namin is also an inspiration from Miss E's segment. It's been I have been thinking about a show long before pa. But however, sometimes, yung tinatawag na everything has a reason, right? So, hindi lahat ng bunga nahihinog kaagad, sunod-sunod. So you have, timing is everything. So, glory to God that, we have given this opportunity. I'm given this opportunity to be able to collaborate and partner with my sister business partner in Australia. And I hope that we would be inspiring more people across the globe nang dahil sa Meg and Tin. But the person na gusto ko talagang i-shout out sa mundo ngayon that I'm so proud of is none other than my bunso, my sister, my business partner. Tawag nito, I'm out of words, pero bunso, I have to read this letter to you. Okay? And I want you to listen to it. At saka, yung mga viewers namin, ito yung letter para kay Bunso. Okay? Basahin ko. Dear Bunso, I just wanted to take a moment to express how grateful I am for you. Your unwavering support, boundless energy, and genuine kindness never go unnoticed. Tandaan mo yan. You are the heart of this team, especially the team visionaries, always there to lift us up, cheer us on, and extend a helping hand without hesitation. I just want you to know that. And this is the most important thing that I want you to hear. Gusto ko mapakinggan mo. And I want you to listen with this. Ready ka na ba? Mom and Dad whispered in my ear to say thank you for everything that you have done for them and for all of us. And they want you to know that they are happily cheering for you as they look down from heaven. Thank you, Bunso, for being the incredible partner, sister, and motivator that you are. Your dedication and spirit inspire everyone around you, and we are all so blessed to have you by our side. Ate will always be here for you, okay? With endless gratitude. Achi Inday.
Oh my God! Thank you!
Hindi ko nga alam kung sino nag-deliver ng message. Kaya ano ko na lang sa'yo, tawag nito, binasa ko na lang sa'yo. Kaya yun. Oh, di ba?
Oh my gosh.
Akala mo si Miss Ilang ang may twist. Megan Tin has a twist too. Kaya,
Oh my gosh. You know what? When you guys are starting to say thank you, when Tin is starting to say thank you, I try to swallow talaga because hindi ko naman ito time to shine, no? It's not my segment, so I try to like hold on to my emotional side. But of course, again, I can't deny the fact na of course,
Miss E, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. You don't have to say anything. Just take your moment right now. Host kami dito, kaya nagpapatwist din kami sa Meg and Tin. Pero, anong tawag nito? I just want you to feel that you are a very special person, and in anything that you do for the team, you know that you are appreciated.
Aloha, hello, this is Aloha G. I want to shout out or I want to say thank you so much. I'm so grateful enough for having a sister, Miss E, my business partner, and at the same time, our bunso or our youngest in the family. And also, I'm so happy for her for what she become now in her journey of her digital business. So, I'm grateful and I am one proud ate here or elder sister. So keep it up, and you're so how do you call this? Very generous in helping the team, and especially with your sips, and especially for me, and never ending lifting me up, cheering me up to do this digital online business. So keep it going, keep the fire burning on. Okay, I love you so much, and aloha from your sister here in Maui. I love you, and God bless you always. Bye.
Oh, may patwist din kami. Hindi lang si Miss E. Kaya anyway, Tin, where are you?
Are you
Labas
ready?
pa tayo sa stage.
Yeah,
Pero, tawag nito, gusto ko lang, kasi it's really nice to acknowledge someone that really works hard pala for yung para sa team, no? Para sa team.
sabi
Kaya
niya si Grace Flores, happy birthday, Elaine. Advance birthday, guys.
sis Grace, papaiyak din kami. Wow. Anyway, kasi time to shine ito ng mga host, kaya nagpapaano din kami, nagpapatwist din kami dito. So, I just want to share this moment and opportunity kay Bunso, Miss E, that we are grateful to have her on our team, at saka sa pagiging lead mentor. Kahit na bunso siya, I am an ate, but it's a totally different story when when it's all about business. Kasi very seryoso tayo pag business, 'di ba? Kailangan nating gawin yung dapat nating gawin. Pero hindi pa natatapos yung aming twist,
Wala pa.
guys. Lahat na mga tao, you have to stay up until the end.
Hello, Jay. I just want you to know that as an ate, I am so proud of you being your ate and a business partner as well. Keep doing what you are doing, and you are on the right track. Love you. We are so proud, and I am so proud of you. Okay? I love you.
Oh, di ba?
Yes.
I think papabayaan ako ni Tin dito to describe
Ito,
it.
IG, congratulations. I'm proud Kuya for what you achieved. Love you.
Hi, Mom. I just want to say how incredibly proud I am of you and everything that you have achieved in this business. Seeing you become such a safe haven or a mentor for people who are seeking help and seeking guidance within this business, and showing them everything that they can achieve through that. Seeing you be so passionate and seeing you love what you do genuinely while being able to be a present mother is something that's really rewarding to be able to be a part of, not only as your business partner but as your daughter. And I could have not asked for a better opportunity to come into your life. I love you.
Hi, Mom. You're so awesome. I'm so proud of you.
Oh my God.
Okay. So, okay. Stop natin dyan.
Hi, Sis Elaine.
Kasi gusto kong ibalik ito. Sandali.
Okay.
Ito, wala itong social media.
Hi, G. Congratulations. I'm proud, Kuya, for what you achieved. Love you.
Ano masabi mo, sis?
I don't know. Mukhang tama si Ate Grace Flores. It's my birthday. There's February 5th in November 10. Oh my gosh. I mean, I don't know what to say.
Anyway, so, sa lahat ng mga nagawa mo for the team, ito lang yung naisip namin ni Tin that I think this is the best moment, right? In launching our Meg and Tin. I think we found this great opportunity to be able to showcase how great you are as a person, and sa lahat ng mga hard work mo, alam mo na ina-appreciate ka namin, and then because we are a team, we are so proud of you, and that's just the best way, the best na gesture na magawa namin sa iyo. And lastly I'd like to share one more na hopefully na ma-inspire ka rin sa kanyang sasabihin sa iyo, because this digital business is a big part of your journey in the last more than a year.
Hi, Sis Elaine. I wanted to take this opportunity to, number one, I wanted to congratulate you sa success mo dito sa business. I remember quite vividly, nung bago ka pa, you also had your hands full. You were taking care of your parents, you were taking care of your kids, nag-start ka ng business, and then nagme-mentor ka na rin ng mga business partners mo. And you never complained. You never complained. I never heard you complain. You never whined about anong dinadala ng buhay sa iyo. You were just steadfast, you were faithful, and you were grateful. A lot of people probably would already complain, "Oh Lord, bakit mo ako binigyan ng ganito?" But not you. And na-admire ko yan sa attitude mo. So thank you for being an inspiration. Sometimes, even if we are the coach, we still get inspiration from our mentees, 'di ba? Hindi lang dun sa mga coaches natin. So again, thank you for that. Secondly, gusto kong malaman mo, in English, I want you to know that I am very, very proud of you, of what you have become in this business. I can see how great of a mentor you are to your team, and also I don't doubt that you will be one of the best coaches that this community will ever have. Bakit? You are so selfless. You are so selfless with your dedication, with your time, and with your talent that you share to our team. Those are gifts to all of us, and we are so grateful that we have you along with us in this journey. I wish for you to have more success in this business, more milestones to conquer, and for you to be able to travel the world one place at a time, just like you wanted. And I hope that in one of those travels, magkasama ulit tayo para Bibo. Alright? So thank you so much. And again, I am very, very proud of you. God bless you and talk to you later. Bye.
Ay, Diyos
Thank
ko.
you,
Wow.
Coachy.
Coach, any
Yes.
any comment, Ate Lane?
Okay. As being Miss E, it's always unscripted. So of course emotions are unscripted, which is very good. Uh I I can't really have an exact words, but all I remember is that because of coach, because of the people who believe in me, I am I am where I am right now here in the business. Kasi I don't have reason to quit because you guys are believing in me, no matter what life throws me, never quit because you give me so much joy. So for the team visionary, and I would like to commend also, of course, accountability partner, Sis Megs. If I cannot, um, if I cannot carry the heaviness of whatever is going on, I would always ask her to take over. So without having an accountability person, it's also hard. And of course, one of the reasons staying also is having a tough coach, so she always give me a reason to look at the side of myself as being blessed because of what she is going through in her life, but hindi siya sumusuko. So that's really something. And of course, to my siblings, business partners, mga ka-team, thank you so much. It's so much special talaga. It's like it feels like my birthday. And of course, to my daughter, to my son, you're the reason why I'm in the business. Diba? Ganun talaga yon. And to my only brother, to my mother and father. um, uh, know that you made the hashtag solid co siblings, because you're the only one that binds us together. Kasi di ba pag mga babae, it's so hard. But because you're in the middle, somehow you give us strength and to your wonderful support. Pag kami na talagang you don't say no no matter what. Wala kang social media. You still I love you so much. And of course to Ate Neng, Ate Geraldine Aloha G in Maui. I will never gonna give up on you. You know that. And Grassy, the same thing. Masyadong chill ka, but then you give a lighter side of me also. And to Ate Meg. Christine, thank you so much also, of course, for acknowledging every single little tiny things that maybe some others might forget, but you always make me feel I'm acknowledged. I don't need to be acknowledged, but you just kind of generously give it to everyone. But it's not I'm just grateful. I'm very, very grateful. Oh my god. Overwhelming. It's very emotional, unscripted, and I love it. And now it's time for you to do my pulse check.
Anyway, because nag-emotional si Sis Lane, that's just that's from the heart, no? Kaya minsan anong tawag nito, it's just the right timing that thank God that we have this show because I was thinking how to ever shout out yung help mo sa team and other members of the community. Kaya before tayo magpa-final words din, ipi-play muna natin yung countdown and intro natin para ano naman sila.
Hold on lang. Is
Ano.
that the intro that you played earlier?
Yes.
Okay, I have a message too kasi hindi pwedeng iyakan lang tayo. Babawi si Miss E because I also have something, diba? Ganyan talaga ang buhay. So kaya naman, before I hand things over sa inyong dalawa, to end the show or something, as your co-host, I want to also surprise you both with a little shout out of something because you deserve it. So I really wrote this because I don't want to make it too long. What can I say? You found each other and level up to 2.0 together, and it's truly an honor to be your lead mentor of the Team Visionaries. Let's give a round of applause, guys. Kahit sa mga bahay-bahay kayo dyan. Um, for these two amazing women. I know everyone watching feels the same, right? Comment down below kung agree kayo. All right. Enough from Miss E. It's time for the pulse check with Meg and Tin now. But before Miss E sign off, I wanted to share something also. Kala nyo, ah. What is this? Hold on.
Ang dami pa ng pasabog tong
segment. Okay.
I hope everyone
Can
will
you
stay
add in
till the end.
And before anything else, thank you guys.
Okay.
Pasensya. Okay.
Did it go?
Hold on. Sana magpakisama siya.
Congrats, pulse check with Sis Meg and Tin. I'm so proud of you guys.
Congratulations, pulse check with Meg
Uh-oh.
and T. Hi, congratulations, pulse.
I think it's some kind of the video on who's on the end on that side.
Mm-hmm. Is it still?
It's still on my, it's okay on my end, but I guess it's on the end over there. Oh, yeah.
I can share on my end. We're gonna try that again.
Okay. Let's see.
See what happens.
Ay, talagang on my end siya. Oh, this is so sad. That is so sad, but anyway,
Ang
let
gawin,
me see.
okay,
Let me
share
see,
it
guys.
to the...
Just say something there while I do the technical difficulties.
All right, you can share it into our messenger while I play the countdown and intro.
Yes.
Welcome to our talk show segment. Pulse check with Meg and Tim. As we blend experience and fresh perspectives to bring you inspiration, guidance, and meaningful conversations. Through our PULC check segments, we're here to share insights on finding balance, building a purposeful life, and creating success on your terms. Make Pulse check a part of your
So napaindak pa kayo guys ng pulse check namin na jingle. So hopefully that that you enjoy the jingle and pinag-isipan talaga yon. And how about you, Miss E? Is it getting any
Hold
better
on,
over
guys.
there?
We'll see. We'll do what we can do, but just guys, this business is for everyone in different walks of life. Kaya naman kung may mga nitong mga technical difficulties, I really don't know why, but
We have someone watching from Palm Beach, Florida. Thank you for watching.
wow
Just
naman.
shout out the comments from our viewers. Ang busy ng mga beauty ng mga taga-digital. Sabi.
Yes.
I can see who did the comment.
Ayan.
Oh, that's Coach Elaine. Thank you for watching.
Hi!
Kasi hindi na nakikita, Coach Elaine. Oh my gosh. Coach Gemma, thank you also. Sis Geraldine,
Thank
Sis
you.
Gracie, Sis Lynn, thank you for watching. Sis Grace, thank you for watching. Sis Gracie, oh, nakakataba naman ang puso si Coach Elaine that you dropped by on our segment. Our queen. You know, very inspiring talaga si Coach Elaine. Continue to inspire Coach Elaine kasi napapa-queen din yung feeling namin pag nakikita ka namin kasi you have all this positive energy at tsaka ano ba yon? Ano bang tawag nun? Yung, you know, when you see her, she lights up the whole room, di ba?
Yes.
No? Nakakahawa,
Yes.
no?
I just watched her the replay of her.
Right.
Of
Oh,
her.
alam mo, ang nakuha ko kay Coach talaga, Tin.
Yeah.
You have the power to change your story.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I
Sabi
heard
niya?
that. Yes, she did say that.
So if you have the power to change your story, make it a great one. Oh, di ba
Yeah.
ang ganda nun? Di
It's like
ba?
you're the author of the of your destiny, of your book.
Right. So,
Make it
yeah.
yes, you're right.
Correct. Yeah. Gusto ko talaga yon. Sis Alex, thank you for watching. Nakikita kita sa kabilang ano namin, Facebook page. Merong technical difficulties dito. Si Miss E, usually hindi siya
Okay, we
nagte-technical
will
difficulties.
we can do it, and then it might have like a little cut at the very
Glitch?
end, but
Okay.
no, it's not glitch, but we'll see it. We can do it.
Okay, let me add it to the stage.
Okay.
Couldn't play. Ayaw?
Are you able to see it?
No.
Okay,
it's
one more
not
time.
showing.
I'm gonna ask again. Sorry, guys.
Hello po. Sensya na kasi kakauwi ko lang and it wasn't working my phone. Sorry for being late po. I think I know who is this. Is this Sheila? I can see
maybe
that.
Sheila.
This is Sheila. Hi Sheila. Thank you for watching. Trying your best to watch us live. Thank you.
Yeah, Tin, while we are waiting for Sis Lane, sabihin mo naman sa mga viewers natin around the globe talaga,
Around the
kung
globe.
ano yung website mo para naman makapag reach out sila sa'yo if they resonate with you from Australia. What's your website, Tin?
Yes. So if you're like me, very determined to succeed in life, watch our webinar, free webinar, and if for you to watch it, you have to register on my website www.christinedv.com, and after you register, it will lead you directly to the webinar. Find some time to watch it. No pressure, but yeah, it's worth your time. So watch it and learn more about our digital business, how flexible it is, how portable, how global we are, and how supportive our community is. And then give it a try. Who knows? Yeah.
Right. Kaya nga sabi ni Coach Michelle, eyes on the prize, sabi ni
Yes.
the power to change your story, make it a great one. Kaya guys, we are knocking on your doors. This is the best opportunity that you can check it out, open the door, bigyan kayo namin ng susi. All you need to do is just go to my website. It's www.megdigitalventures.com. All you got to do is just simply register your name and email, and you will be able to watch our replay sa link na provided sa inyo sa email. And also check your spam folder, guys, because sometimes it goes there. Usually, if it's your first time getting that email, okay? So you can hear our panelists, yung webinar panelists namin. Sis Lane has been one of our webinar panelists. Recently, we have Coach Gemma as one of our webinar panelists. So we have like a lot of people there from all career paths. So that's the best way to start. Check our step one. That's a free access to our info session. So you will be able to hear the stories of those people who are also digital business owners, has been in the business, and you will hear their inspiring stories and how the business has changed their lives. Kaya now na.
Yes, now
Register na
na.
po sa website namin. And if you can resonate to any one of those webinar panelists, of course, hopefully talaga na ma-inspire kayo, because you can be anyone of you out there. Wala kaming pinipili na profession. As long as you are 18 years old and above, we welcome all people from all walks of life.
Yeah.
Teacher man kayo, engineer man kayo, nurse man kayo, doctor man kayo, you work in IT, you work as a housekeeper, you are in retail, you are in food business. And we also have, mind you guys, we also have like a lot of successful people already in their own fields but have joined in this business. Kaya nakaka-inspire talaga pag nakita mo silang nag-join din sila sa business. Right, Tin?
Yes, I agree. Kahit sino, kahit anong
Kahit
profession,
sino.
kahit sino, whether you're working full-time or part-time, or if you're a stay-at-home parent looking for that, income, this is one best opportunity for you. And one thing that's I'm really proud of is it because it's internet based. Like it's just as long as you have the internet, you have Wi-Fi, you have phone, you can do this. I'm actually amazed at the Med because our training can be accessed through our phones now. So before,
Right.
you have to use the laptop. Now we can access it through our phone. So wherever I go, when I'm in the train, or in the bus, or waiting for my kids, I can do the training. I can multitask. I can do that while cooking. So which is actually very very good in the sense na you can do other things while doing the training too. So yun,
Yeah.
proud of the benefits and the features of our digital business.
That's what you call the power of embracing digital technology. It's at your fingertips, guys. Kaya check out nyo na yung digital business opportunity namin, because we have all these amazing leaders who have put out the platform. Our current platform kasi, they are encouraging all of us to really have this great basic foundation talaga to know more about the digital business. Walang skipping classes dito. They are encouraging everyone to really study the business basics, right?
From the
Basic
basics,
foundation from the very beginning. Yun naman yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Kasi small win na yun eh. If you know the basic foundation, which is kahit in anything pa, life, career, business, meron ka talagang basic foundation. So, that's one great thing about our amazing leaders, because they have put up this new system that we have available at our fingertips 24/7. You can also just what you call this pace yourself according to your availability ng time. Kaya meron tayong daily insights that we can get from our online resources. Kaya ang dami talagang benefits that you can gain from being into this digital business. Other than very generous talaga yung community din namin in terms of, information, resources, support, and we have international global reach. Okay? So, kumusta na ba yung buhay-buhay natin dyan, Miss E? Anong nangyayari?
Malapit na. I'm just gonna do
ating
a
mga
little bit something.
parang nadoble yata yung Facebook Live. Parang dalawa yata yung topics natin ngayon. But anyway, guys, don't forget, Pulse is purpose-driven, uplifting lives, sharing skills, empowerment. Yun yung ayun yung meaning ng Pulse Check, okay? So I'm very excited to be on the show with Tin. I found Tin. We found each other. I finally found someone who shares my life. I finally found someone. Ano pa ba yun?
Be here every week.
Every week. Yun, diba?
Whatever
I do, it just got to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found someone. Miss E, wala na talaga kaming wala na talaga ito. Ang Pulse Check talaga, it's really mix of everything. Kaya, although nurses, we wear different hats. Pwede kaming mag-housekeeper, pwede kaming recorder, pwede kaming secretary, pwede kaming nurse na nasa desk, pwede kaming magiging OR nurse, pwede kaming teacher, pwede kami lahat-lahat. Kaya, as nursepreneur, we're able to withstand challenges. Very resilient kami mga nurses.
And patient. Very
And
patient.
patient. Patience is a virtue. Kaya guys, yes, thank you for staying with us. 8 million viewers. We love you guys. Thank you so much
Comment kayo dyan para
Comment muna kayo dyan, guys. Malapit na. May ginawa na lang akong ninja moves para lang talaga ito. Kailangan meron ka talagang pa-ninja moves, guys, pag mga technical difficulties kasi that's life.
Right.
So,
and sa mga nurses na, nurses naman tayo din. Sa mga nurses na gustong mag-route kasi nakaka 12-hour shift. It's very tiring. Long shift na talaga yon. You're on your feet all day. So kung pagod na din kayo gawin yan, you wanna route yourself to 12-hour shift or from 9 to 5 at gusto nyong maghanap ng side hustle, check out nyo lang yung website namin kasi it's not a hassle after all. I am still a full-time nurse and I do this digital business as a side hustle. Ginagawa ko mag-Facebook Live in the pockets of my time. So, parang routine na sa akin yon on my lunch break. Parang hinahanap ko rin yung makapag-inspire at makapag-motivate tayo ng mga tao all over the world na para naman makita nila ang dami ko kasing parang energy na ibibigay sa lahat ng tao. Kaya, bakit ba hindi? It only takes one person to give a light to someone else's life, diba? Yeah. Lagi kong sinasabi yon sa mga viewers ko on Facebook Live, sa Dose of Meg, medyo alanganin lang yung time, it's 12:30, but kahit na wala tayong audience sa Facebook Live, marami naman magre-replay niyan eh. Tsaka Facebook, has a lot of tawag nito yung mga processes nila na ibabato naman yon anywhere kung meron kang mga followers sa business page mo, di ba? So, kaya, patience is a virtue. Being in this business humbles me because hindi naman lahat sa buhay-buhay na smooth lang yung nangyayari. Kagaya ngayon, may mga technical difficulties. I've worked in the virtual field for a long time na, mga 6 years na siguro. So, normal na talaga ito kaya kailangan ko talaga may plan A at saka may plan B, ganun din. Yeah, ganun din sa sa buhay-buhay, 'di ba, Tin? So
Yes.
kailangan kung gusto mo namang plan B, you can, you can go on a digital business para naman sa plan B mo if you
Yes.
wanted passive income or side hustle or something na gusto mo mag-grow ka personally. Kasi dito naman sa digital business natin, it's not all about money, right? So we have human connection. So that's really very important for us to be able to connect to people around the world who have the same thinking as we do, 'di ba? Yung gusto
Kagaya
mong
ngayon.
makatulong sa mga tao, right?
Kagaya ngayon, guys, may plan B tayo. So,
Right.
apologize. At I'm ready to roll.
Okay.
I'm gonna be showing three. So that's the most I can do for now.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks, Miss E. Ready?
Yes.
Congrats, Pulse Check with Sis Meg and Tin. I'm so proud of you guys.
Congratulations, Paul Check with Meg and Teen. Hi, congratulations, Pulse Check with Meg and Teen. I'm very excited.
Congrats. Pulse check. Ate Meg.
Si
Ate Liz.
Pogs.
Hello, Meg and Christine.
Meg and Christine.
Yes, I'm Jennifer Sigismundo
And
Sales.
I'm Lorna Zonado.
Congratulations to both of you.
Congratulations.
Nagsiserve kami sa retreat ngayon. Kami ay nasa isang closet. Kaya gusto lang namin kayong batiin. Enjoy your day.
Hi, ladies. I just want to say congratulations to Pulse Check with Meg of Florida and to Teen of Australia. You ladies are rocking this business and nakaka-inspire kayo.
Okay, meron pa tayong isa. Move on. Meron tayong isa. Ayun. Ay, hindi siya narinig. Sabi niya, go.
Volume.
Ay, ulit.
Volume.
Yeah.
Wow.
Congratulations, Megan Teen. Keep pushing, be consistent, and enjoy your journey.
Hello, congratulations, Sis Meg and Teen, on your new segment.
Hello everyone, congrats Pulse Check with Meg and Tin.
Congratulations, Pulse Check with Meg and Tin.
Congrats, Pulse Check with Mel and Tin.
Congratulations, Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. Woohoo!
And one more. Hold on, guys. Hold on.
While you do that, Sis Lane, thank you very much for the 8 million viewers.
Congrats, Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. Congratulations and good luck. Woohoo!
Happy Veterans Sunday. Congratulations, Meg and Tin. Aloha.
Hello, congratulations, Meg and Tin, on the launch of your new segment, Pulse Check. Next time, maybe you can do heart rate check. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Pulse Check with Meg and Tin. Great launching!
Hello, Ate Megs and Christine. Gusto ko kayong i-congratulate sa pilot episode ng inyong show, Pulse Check. And I am sure that you will be able to impart and share your knowledge and experience, not just as nurses, but also as digital business entrepreneurs sa inyong mga audience. So I am pretty sure also that this activity will actually bring more traffic into your business page, and not just that, but as a whole sa inyong business. So continue to pursue your dreams and continue also to push here in the business, and you have all the support from me and from our team. So again, congratulations sa inyong bagong segment.
Hello,
Yes.
hello. Happy Sunday, everyone.
So that's it. That's it talaga. But I made maybe because it was more than 2 minutes. It was a total of 3:06. But babawi ako. I will be posting it. I couldn't share because it's gonna cut off some of the messages. But at the end of the day, meron at meron talaga tayong way to really. I'm not sure if I completed the whole thing. Kung sino yung nag-greet, but as far as I know, I did what I can do because you both deserve it. It might not be in a smooth little way, but that's how we roll. It's actually testing you. Para kunwari wala akong kasalanan. It's actually testing you guys how our nursepreneur mommies out there and the host of Pulse Check can actually carry the show. So
Carry namin yan, Sis Lane. Before ka muna mag-stop, I just wanna shout out sa lahat ng mga tao na nagstay sa amin. I
Hold
really
on, hold on,
want to.
hold on, Ate Meg. Kasi kailangan, after nun, ang sasabihin ko talaga, okay guys, stop about Miss E. Miss E signing off and then I have to go. So that way you can own your show, okay? Thank you for being with us tonight, and thank you for allowing me to be a co-host. Thank you for all the surprises. Thank you for everything. Miss E signing off. Bye, guys.
Bye, Ate
Thank
Elaine.
you.
Bye, Missy. Oh, thank you. Thanks for joining us, Miss E, and for help for kicking off this launch of our fresh new Facebook talk show live. Ano pa? That's gonna be every week. So thanks for joining us, everyone who are still watching. Thank you for this purpose-driven, uplifting live where we are all about sharing skills and empowering each other to thrive. And Ate Meg?
Yep. Yes. Salamat talaga sa pag-remind sa lahat kung ano yung pulse check. Pero Tin, I just really want to give a shout out to everyone who have stayed with us up until the end. Kahit na meron pa tayong technical difficulties, they are here with us. Thank you very much sa support. Teka muna. Sis Taxi, thank you for watching. And then, Sis Grass is still here. Glyza, wherever you are in the world, thank you for watching. Coach Elaine has been here. Thank you for your support. Sino ka until Alpan, thank you for watching. Sis Geraldine, Sis Alex, Coach Gemma, and Sis Lynn, Sis Grace Flores, thank you. At sa lahat ng mga tao na nagbigay ng inspirasyon at messages sa amin, na nagbigay ng inyong suporta at tawag nito, yung trust, right? For us to be able to deliver the pulse check every Sunday. Salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. But kasi meron tayong mga technical difficulties, 10 na yung nandito. So, again, the third time, ito yung aming intro and hopefully mapainda kayo sa aming pulse check single. Ito na naman guys, pangatlong play na. Alright?
Welcome to our talk show segment. Pulse check with Meg and Tim. As we blend experience and fresh perspectives to bring you inspiration, guidance, and meaningful conversations. Through our PULC check segments, we're here to share insights on finding balance, building a purposeful life, and creating success on your terms. Make Pulse Check a part of your service.
Alright, pa-parting words na ba tayo or nakapag-parting final words ka na ba, Tin? You did? You
I
did,
did,
right?
but
No, no. Sorry.
So, lagi talagang meron tayong pa-surprise dito sa Meg and Tin. Kaya may pasulpot-sulpot minsan. Pero anyway, guys. Yes, Tin. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
sa
you,
pagsabi mo sa
everyone.
kanila for joining us for this purpose-driven uplifting lives where we are all sharing skills and empowerment, sabi mo. So, helping each other to thrive, right? Kaya, tama ka doon. That's why, guys, always remember to make the Pulse Check with Meg and Tin a part of your Sunday. Sorry lang talaga sa mga technical difficulties. Babawi kami next time. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Kaya nga, nagiging colorful yung buhay natin nang dahil sa ganyan, di ba? Anyway, guys, I'm Meg, your golfer, nurse-preneur, and Tin.
Tin, your nurse mompreneur. Bye,
Catch you
everyone.
on our next segment.
Next Sunday, every week.
Bye.
Bye.